Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, February 10, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am fine, thank you. Just a little tired.
I understand. I am very tired too. I need this coffee.
Is the coffee machine working well today?
It is a little slow, but it is working. Do you have a busy day?
Yes, I have 3 meetings this morning. It is a crazy day. What about you?
I have to call 5 clients, and I have a lunch meeting at 12:30. Sales never stop.
That sounds stressful. You need a lot of energy.
Exactly. That is why I am drinking a large coffee. So did you see the news this week?
I saw some headlines on my phone. Which news?
The news about the moon. Did you read the New York Times on Saturday?
Oh, yes. The article from February 7. It was about the new treaty, right?
Yes, the Lunar Resource Treaty. It is very interesting.
It is interesting, but it is also controversial. 12 countries signed it.
That is right. 12 countries. They want to mine helium-3 on the moon.
They say helium-3 is great for energy. It is clean energy for Earth.
Yes, it is amazing for business. Imagine the money. Energy is a big market.
But David, think about the other countries. Only rich countries can go to space.
That is true. The article said smaller nations are angry.
They are protesting. They say the moon belongs to everyone, not just 12 countries.
I understand that. But someone has to pay for the rockets. Space travel is expensive.
It costs billions of dollars. But is it fair? That is the question.
In sales, we look for opportunity. This is a big opportunity.
It is a big opportunity for money. But maybe it causes problems between countries.
Maybe, but I think we need the energy. Oil is old news.
I agree we need new energy. But I worry about the politics.
You always worry, Alex. You are a project manager. You look for risks.
That is my job, David. I have to look for risks.
Well, the moon is far away. Let's talk about something closer. Did you see the Wall Street Journal?
Which day?
It was on Thursday, February 5. The article about the eyes.
Oh, the Vision Pro contact lenses? Yes, I read that.
It is so cool. A tech company made smart contact lenses.
It sounds like science fiction, but it is real now.
Yes. You put them in your eyes. You can see your emails in the air.
And you can record video. That is the problem.
Why is that a problem? It is convenient. I can record my client meetings.
David, think about privacy. The article said privacy groups are suing the company.
They are suing why?
Because the lenses record everything. If I talk to you, you are filming me.
But I am just looking at you.
Exactly. I do not know if you are recording. It is scary.
But the price is $1,500. Not everyone will have them.
$1,500 is not too expensive for a computer in your eye.
That is true. I want to buy a pair. I can check my sales numbers while I walk.
Please do not wear them in the office. I do not want to be on a video.
Okay. I will ask the boss first. But it is the future, Alex.
Sometimes the future is a little creepy. I prefer my normal glasses.
You're old-fashioned. Technology helps us work faster.
Faster is not always better. We need to be careful.
Speaking of work, did you see the news on CNN? This one is for you.
The one from Friday, February 6?
Yes, the Nordic 3-day work week.
Oh, I loved that article. It is about Sweden and Norway.
Yes, they passed a new law. People only work 3 days a week now.
And they get full pay? The salary is the same? That is amazing.
It is crazy. How can they work only 3 days?
The article says it improves mental health. People are happier.
But what about the work? Who does the work?
They work harder for 3 days. Then they rest for 4 days.
4 days of weekend. That sounds like a dream.
It is good for families. You can spend time with your children.
But the article said the CEO are angry. The bosses do not like it.
Of course, the bosses worry about productivity. They think people will be lazy.
I am in sales. If I only work 3 days, I sell less.
Maybe not. Maybe you have more energy, so you sell better.
That is an interesting idea. If I am happy, I sell more.
Exactly. A tired worker is a bad worker.
But global companies are warning everyone. They say it destroys business.
They are afraid of change. The world is changing, David.
Imagine if our boss does that here, 3 days a week.
I would be very happy. I can finish my projects on Tuesday and go home.
And I can play golf on Thursday and Friday.
See, you like the idea now.
I like the golf part, but I worry about my commissions.
We are not in Sweden, so we have to work 5 days.
Sadly, yes. We are here on a Tuesday, and we have a lot of work.
The coffee is finished. We have to go back.
You are right. My computer is waiting for me.
And my meeting starts in 10 minutes. I need to prepare.
Good luck with your meeting, Alex.
Thank you, David. Good luck with your sales calls.
I hope I sell a lot today. Maybe I can buy the smart lenses.
Oh no, please do not buy them.
Huh? I am joking. Or maybe not.
You are funny. Have a good morning, David.
You too, Alex. See you at lunch, maybe?
Maybe, if I finish my work. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.